Good morning. Welcome to Coffee and a Forecast, Saturday, March 10th. How are you? I'm actually in between cups of coffee, so I don't have my coffee right now, but I just had some coffee, and after I'm done, I'm fixing to have more coffee. So if you have coffee, enjoy. And here's the forecast, which I hope you will enjoy. There's less wind in it, although I'm a little concerned about the wind forecast for today. We'll talk about it here in a second. Yesterday's high, 64. That doesn't tell the whole story. We had southeast wind gusting to 35 miles an hour was the peak wind gust yesterday. It was a windy day across the city, a bad hair day. Of course, my hair is getting so long, pretty much every day is a bad hair day right now. Anyway, we see we're 8 degrees below average for this time of year, and the low is right near average, 46 yesterday morning to start the day. We are nearly 2 inches below average on the rainfall. Again, that's at the International Airport. Here in Oro Valley, we've had probably a ½ inch more than that, so we're closer to an inch below average here in Oro Valley, but it's still dry. Sunrise this morning at 6:40, a little less than an hour from now, and sunset tonight at 6:29. My clock says 5:52 right now in the morning. By the time this gets posted, it'll probably be 6:45 or so. So by the time you're watching this, the sun will be coming up. All right, here we go with today's numbers. It's going to be another cool day. The low pressure system that's been affecting our weather hasn't moved a whole lot. That's why I'm a little concerned about our wind forecast. But the wind forecast for today is just 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming northwesterly. So 65 will keep the cool air in here, 42 for a low. The low gets further away, high pressure starts to build in, maybe a few high clouds tomorrow, 74, very nice. And Monday, 78, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, near 80 as that high pressure builds in. Here are the temperatures out there right now to start the day this morning. And look at this, we have a little bit of rain along the New Mexico border. So that low is that close. And I'm afraid it might kick up some winds again today. And if that happens, there's some people that are going to disown me. But they've been, hey Mike, when is this wind going to stop? Can you make the wind stop? Do something about the wind. So hopefully we'll keep the wind forecast the way it is on the light side, just a light breeze today. I hope that's the truth. 31 right now near Bisbee, 39 at the Bisbee Douglas Airport, 41 Nogales Airport, 40 Benson, 50 in Casa Grande, Safford at 40 right now. A few more temperatures as we zoom in. There's Benson at 40, here near the apartment at 45, 48 at the airport. Did I mention that earlier? And across the metro, mid 40s for the most part. Here's a 48, not too far from Sabino Canyon, and a 42 for Marana. Here's what's going on across much of the country, and here's our low. Here's Arizona, here's New Mexico, here's the low, spinning right on the border. And that's still pretty close, so I'm a little concerned that the winds might be a little stronger today. This is also keeping us in the cool air, but high pressure is moving in. So temperatures will be warming up as that happens. There's some thunderstorms along the Texas Gulf Coast and into Louisiana. Another little system here along the northern tier moving across Minnesota into the Great Lakes. And Pacific Northwest looking for some fun. Storm after storm after storm this week, or all next week I should say. Starting tomorrow, snow levels falling to near 1,000 feet. So my sister's place in the Cascade foothills might get some more snow out of all that. Good for her, and good for us too, because she shares pictures, and I keep forgetting to share them, but I need to bring them on here because it's beautiful when it snows. All right, here's our low again. Snow across New Mexico, and heavy snow in the northern mountains of New Mexico. Let's say Taos, Los Alamos maybe, Espanola. Further to the south though, along the I-10 corridor, it's rain. And then as you get into Texas, rain and thunderstorms. And they'll take that because they need that. Also some rain and thunderstorms for the Sunshine State. I'm sorry, Florida, we're going to revoke your Sunshine State status if you keep having all this rain. Another system moving off the coast of New England with a little bit of snow on the backside, New Hampshire and Vermont. And then another storm system and one behind that for the Pacific Northwest, increasing wind. Rain along the coast, but snow at lower elevations. Here's Storm Prediction Center not predicting any severe storms. No severe storms forecast. You see the rain in Texas. South by Southwest going on in Austin, and they're getting wet, and it's been chilly there too. It's oh, it's an internet conference. Pretty cool stuff. All right, convective outlooks, no organized severe storms forecast, no watches in effect, no mesoscale discussions in effect, and no storm reports from yesterday. And let's see which one. And these are the watches and warnings across the country, if you can figure that out. But if you go to TucsonWeather.us and you look on the right-hand side and you see Storm Prediction Center, you can click on that. And then once you get to this page, you can click wherever you want, and it'll take you there. So let's say what's going on in Nebraska, and it brings us into the whole country, and then we'll click, say, central. This is south of Valentine, I guess. There's Valentine, and it's a red flag warning, and now we know. Tucson weather looking pretty good today. Sunshine, hopefully not much wind, please. 65. Wind forecast is 5 to 10 miles an hour out of the southeast, becoming northwest. 42 tonight, so chilly start to tomorrow. High pressure building and some warmer temperatures. A few high clouds tomorrow, 74, 78 on Monday, 80 for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that's a pretty good forecast. Thanks for tuning in. Coffee and a Forecast. Tucson's weather lives at TucsonWeather.us. Have a great day. Oh, and we'll see you tomorrow.